hammer time.
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage, where we cover everything automotive.
Right, like product reviews, detailing, how-to tips,
Events, toys, games, and even news.
So please, like, subscribe.
And ring that notification bell so you don't miss out.
Right, we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. Pure Octane's automotive news and opinions for, what's today?
October 14th,
2019, also known as
Columbus Day.
Columbus Day. Thank you, Chris Columbus. Hey, let's get right into it. 2021 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 gets a mean new face, says Jalopnik. So
Yeah.
we checked out the pictures here.
And I agree with.
I also
Yeah.
agree with them. I think it does look meaner, and as you can see in the pictures here, there's the current gen and the new refreshed front end on the ZR2. And mean, I agree.
So yeah, it looks like a refreshed front end and back end.
Yep. So only thing on the front end I'm not feeling, the tailgate, the bow tie, just a little off center, throws me off a little bit. But I like the front end. And then let's look at the tailgates real quick here. Let's see, big difference. Obviously, the emblem's gone, and they
put Chevrolet all the way across the
all the way
tailgate.
across. Yeah. So cool. All right, let's move on.
So the next one that we have here.
Car and Driver, we got this information from. Basically, the Kia Telluride, I've been kind of intrigued by this vehicle. Just unique, and it looks pretty upscale. Kia's kind of moving that way, I think.
Yeah.
With some of their stuff. And I think the basis of that article is just that people are spending more money on a Kia than everyone would think they would.
Than they have in the past.
Yeah. So.
And the Kia Telluride, that's a 3-row SUV?
Yes, 3-row.
Okay.
I believe it still is front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Pretty sure. But it looks like people are spending an average of over $40,000 on these. So.
Wow.
Go Kia! You're raking in some money. So next story.
We have Dad 3D printed a Lamborghini because his son liked one in Forza.
That's a pretty cool dad.
Wow.
Can't say I could pull that off, but this one's from Autoblog. Looks like a Colorado physicist decided to go for the 3D printing of a Lamborghini body panels and whatnot from because Forza was cool to his son. So there's a picture here of the front end. Looks like it's missing headlights right now. But anyways, cool. It says he used the printer from Amazon. He bought the printer.
Wow, so he basically printed pieces and pieced them all together.
Yeah, amazing. I guess it really does drive. It says sourced to LS1 Corvette engine.
Cool, cool.
I hear sirens. Do you hear sirens?
I do.
UPS and sirens. But hey, that's part of a live garage.
That's right. And those sirens are getting louder.
They're getting closer. I didn't do anything wrong.
I don't remember doing anything wrong.
Anyways, all right, let's move on. Sirens are going away now. Okay, I saw this one. Looks like Mopar Insiders. Is Dodge working on a new special edition Challenger? This is kind of a quick one.
Yeah.
Really, they're saying there's rumor that they're going to put out an ACR Challenger, kind of like the ACR Viper.
Yeah, because I guess
Viper's no more.
Viper's no more, so
got to do it to the next coupe in the line, right? So that could be pretty cool if it's if it can hug some curves. Maybe that's a heavy car still, but we'll see. See what they can do. They're wizards over there. So
that's cool. Yeah, always a lot of different news coming out with Dodge and
yeah, they push their muscle cars. So
yeah, they really do.
All right, next one. GM Authority. We've got a little more truck information. Airplanes now, Ryan. Airplanes.
It's a really low-flying airplane because it's loud. Wow.
Jeez. I guess
Really?
we'll let him pass. Not a soundproof studio, by the way.
No, it's we're right here in the garage. Doors wide open.
That's funny. So this one, Silverado, moving on from the Colorado information to Silverado information. What do we got?
So the Chevrolet Silverado off-road racing program previews a new Silverado ZRX model.
Cool.
So, and it looks like it's going to be running the same dampers, the Multimatic DSSV that they're running in the Colorado ZR2.
That are, well acclaimed, right?
Yes, so, they have quite a
question.
Quite a pedigree.
DSSV. What's the acronym for?
I'll let you tell the folks what
I
that
didn't know
is.
until just a little bit ago. Dynamic Suspension Spool Valve. I did not know that till I read it. I obviously had to go back and read it again. Looks like they kind of got maybe a Raptor fighter.
There it is.
Yeah, there's a good picture
can't
of
see
them.
that, but
links are below. You can check out the stories.
Yes.
But yeah, cool little Raptor fighter Silverado probably. So if that holds true, that's pretty cool. And I think I saw on there they're going to use the 6.2 liter.
Yeah, and
engine,
that's the
good engine.
That's the good engine.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right, what do we got next? Keeping
like
with Chevrolet, we got another story.
Yeah, there's a brand new 1991 Chevrolet Corvette C4 ZR1 auctioned for $40,000.
Wow. I wonder what does it say what the sticker price was? I'm kind of curious.
It's a good question.
That package says it added $30,000 to the bottom line, so I'm going to guess it was more than 40.
Oh yeah.
So, wow, do you think that car was $60,000+ back then? Wow, cool.
Wow, a brand new 91 though. Could you imagine? Pretty cool.
It's a time capsule.
It really is.
Yeah.
I always thought to myself, these people who buy a car like that's been this well preserved.
Yeah.
Do you want to continue that? And keeping it in
Or do you break down one day
or
and
do you
just rip it up?
Just drive it like it's 1991.
Yeah, like, you know what? I'm just going to drive it.
That's cool though.
Cool. Kind of, I get that for the owner though. I'm like, did you enjoy it? You never got to enjoy it. It does say it had under 300 miles, so maybe they slightly enjoyed it.
Yeah,
that's still new.
Under 300 miles. Yeah, that's definitely new. Oh yeah, here we go. It's $40,000 value is still below the original $60,000.
Oh, okay.
MSRP.
So all right, cool. All right, and this one caught from the Phoenix Business Journal. We're going local. Paul Walker, his car collection apparently is going to be auctioned off at Scottsdale Barrett-Jackson this January.
Okay.
Coming January. So I thought that was cool. I'm like, we go to that. I think we even talked about it last week when we were talking about Barrett-Jackson.
We did.
Ford GTs. So anyways, just scanning that real quick. I'm like, we'll be sure to check out his collection that's there. And it's just kind of an interesting collection. Real quick out of there, I noticed a lot of mid-90s BMW M3s. And then it was funny, like 2006 Toyota Tundra. 2003 Ford F-250. There's even a GMC Sierra. It's got a couple pickups. And then a modern Mustang Boss 302S race car, which I don't really know anything about. But
it's an interesting collection of vehicles.
Yeah. Nothing stands out to me as like, whoa. But
no.
It's just unique. He had a unique taste.
The two that I thought was interesting was a 63 Chevy Nova wagon and a 64 Chevy Chevelle wagon.
Yeah. So his two
interesting.
Yeah, some old wagons.
Wagons.
Go wagons. All right, we did this a couple weeks ago. We're going to move into which portion? The electrified portion.
Yeah, kind
We'd
of.
like to talk about that.
Going over to the.
A lot of the news is electric now.
Yeah, so. More and more vehicles are coming out.
This one bridges the line. This is
right.
RAV4 plug-in hybrid, so not fully electric. But really, that's what we wanted to tell you is the 2021 RAV4 plug-in hybrid is confirmed for LA Auto Show, and that comes to us from Green Car Reports.
And the reason we kind of brought that up is currently it is the top-selling vehicle in the U.S.
Yeah, that's amazing because I never...
The refreshed RAV4.
Yeah, and I'd show you that. The picture it's showing on there is not a RAV4, so we're going to go back up to the top. So that's cool. Let's keep going.
And continuing with the hybrid news, NASCAR is planning to go hybrid.
That's big news.
That really is.
Whoa.
It's like, what are they going to do?
And like that's going to be very interesting to see how that pans out. But what are they saying? By as early as 2022?
Yep.
It could sport some hybrid, and I think we read in the article that they would use it on certain races.
Yeah, the shorter tracks.
The shorter tracks and the said the twistier tracks where they can get some regenerative braking probably.
Yeah.
And whatnot. So,
pretty cool though.
Yeah.
I mean, that'll definitely add more to the whole electrified hybrid technology, really.
Proof that it's
because when you're
in.
racing stuff, you're pushing stuff to its limit.
Yeah.
And that really
It'd be amazing to see how it holds up in a
really
high-stress
shows
situation.
exactly the durability of things. So,
all right, and rounding this out, we got a couple Tesla stories, right? This one's kind of fun.
yeah, this is real quick. There's been a lot of renderings of Tesla's truck, upcoming electric truck,
Mm-hmm.
and so somebody made a Twitter comment to Elon Musk about what do you think of all these Tesla pickup drawings that are going around. Some of them are, the person says, some of them are really bad, and Elon responded with, Cybertruck doesn't look like anything I've seen bouncing around the internet. It's closer to an armored personnel carrier from the future.
Sounds like something he'd say when you
Yeah.
followed him and whatnot.
I like that, Cybertruck.
Cybertruck.
I hope it's called that.
Yeah, I hope they stick with that. Because how do you like your new Cybertruck? Your Tesla Cybertruck. That's cool. Cool he responds to people too. Check that out. But that was brought to us. Inside EVs is where we found that one. I believe our next story as well as Inside EVs.
Yeah, and it's the
Again, Tesla.
Tesla Model 3 is among the safest luxury vehicles according to the IIHS.
So that's who determines our insurance rates. So
Yeah.
they know.
And they do all
They
those.
test them.
Check out their crash videos
Crushing stuff.
on YouTube. Yeah,
Yeah.
where they're crashing the side crashes
Offset
and
crashes.
offsets, and
Yeah.
they also now have added where they where they check out headlight how
Performance,
effective headlights are.
I've seen that too. Yeah.
So
Cool stuff. And I think there was one other story on our electric, right?
yeah, then I guess so the Dyson, the company that
Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.
and if you have any thoughts or comments, leave them below, or any ideas of any of the news that you'd like to see.
And also like
Subscribe.
and ring the notification bell so we can make sure to get you the news every week.
And again, thanks.
Talk to you guys later.